Marcus. Let's go over this Cricket Takes a Wife piece. And they recommend that you look at the intervals first. And I would say maybe just pay attention to the intervals that are not seconds, because some of them are seconds. So like here from the E to the C, that's a third. And here's another third. It's between the hands. These are all thirds. And then here's that third again, the E to C. And the rest of them are all seconds. So that's something to look at. You can notice that the first line, the second line, and the last line all start with the same 2 bars. And you can notice that the rhythm of the last 2 measures of every line is the same. It's not the same notes, but the rhythm is the same. So let's go ahead and clap the rhythm first of all. And I'll trust that you're looking at your music too. 1, 2, ready. And the noises you're going to hear are my cat Muffy on her scratching box. She might do a little talking as well. Ready, clap. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 1, 2. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 1, 2. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 1, 2. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 1, 2. So they add continuity to the whole thing by having the same rhythm over and over. So let's take a look at the first line. 1 and ready, go. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 1, 2. Okay, that's pretty straightforward. Now the second line, oh, there's another third. I missed that one. From the left-hand C here to that A, that is also a third. So you go from finger 1 down to finger 3 in the left hand. So get your left hand ready. And we'll do the second line. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1, 2. So practice that a few times if you need to. Pause the thing. Now the next line, the third line, you have finger 4 on G, and it goes up a third to B, down a third, up a second, and then the right hand takes over on D. And the last line is like the second line. Ready, go. And again, there's another interval of a third here from that C to the A. So finger 1 on the C and 3 on the A. Now, I'm going to pretend you've practiced this quite a lot. I would recommend practicing each line by itself 5 times in a row, and then play the last line, and then play the last 2 lines, and then play the last 3 lines, and play the whole thing. By that time, if you're not running out the door screaming, you'll have it learned pretty well. Now I'm going to play it up to tempo just for an example for you how fast you want to get it, and then I'll play the duet parts. And you should just pause the video and practice what you need to practice in between these things. Ready, go. repeat. And then I'm going to try this accompaniment, not ever having practiced it. 1, 2, here I go. Okay, well, those Hungarians know how to write a folk song.